Hey, hi, lovely people. Welcome back to our happy place. I hope all of you are doing great and staying safe. Today is yet another beautiful makeover that we have done for our accent wall. Let's get into the video now. It was time for us to transform our accent wall into a beautiful looking one. So we bought these couple of wallpaper rolls from Amazon, and it's from the brand Volpin, which is got a cement distressed look. So now it was time for us to transform this boring wall into a beautiful looking one and give it a good facelift. So while we started our work, we just tuned on to Mr. Bean, as we so love watching him while we do our makeovers. So yes guys, this wall has been there in our previous videos on our channel, so you can see the transformed look that we will be showing you. I have always believed in the power of wallpapers and love to see it in your homes too, because it simply means you love it as well. With all the great temporary options, there has never been a better time to go for a wallpaper transformation. It's such an awesome way to create big, cozy styles with minimum efforts and sure budget friendly. Have you all been gathering the courage to take on wallpaper transformations in your homes? Allow us to inspire you with all the awesome wallpaper transformation that we have given our boring accent wall, or rather the TV unit wall. Using such wallpapers creates a statement to your beautiful homes. Tools needed to apply this peel and stick wallpapers are a knife, a pair of scissors, 2 people, and yes, a lot of patience. So yes guys, wait and watch for this beautiful transformation. So now we started with the right corner of the wall. We measured it according to our wall space and had it cut. We did it a little patiently because it was the first time for us. Our wall is a 10 by 10 feet wall, so we purchased around 5 rolls. So now the second panel was almost done. My husband used a card like this just to smoothen down the surface to avoid all the air bubbles. The main reason we wanted to transform this wall was because in the year 2019 there was a crack in the wall. We had it fixed, but then over a period of time, due to the heat and humidity, the wall started cracking again. So during this pandemic and this difficult times, it is not safe to have people come over and have your homes fixed. So this was the only solution to give a beautiful transformation to our wall. Make your home unique and stand out with a variety of wallpapers and wall murals from the wallpapers available online and from the interior stores near to your place. The wall was almost done. As you can see, just a little bit more was there for us to complete. So now my husband just took this off and he had it cut according to the switch box and put it back. This was a little more that we had to complete. So that's it guys, the entire wall was done, and see how beautiful this de-stressed concrete cement wallpaper looked on our beautiful wall now. So as you all know, in our previous videos we had a lot of deco on this wall. So now my husband was just making the holes for us to fix back the screws and have the decors hung. So finally now it was time to give a little bit of a change over here. So my husband installed a hook for us to hang things in this corner. Now it was time for me to do the cleaning. These removable concrete cement wallpaper mural peel and stick self-adhesive creates instant accent walls and so much more with these high quality and colorful removable wallpapers. It's a perfect solution to decorate your homes, offices or business spaces and to give it a good and bold face uplift. So now it was time to install the TV and also have all the screws fixed back so that we can start the makeover and the decor. As you all know, we have a beautiful coastal living home, and yes, adding all the elements back onto this wall gives it such a beautiful feeling. As you all know, our love for frames are just beyond boundaries, and yes, we so love them. So it was time now that my husband just fixed back the floating shelf. It was time now for my husband to install this floating shelf that we had earlier. All the changes that we have done on this wall will sure inspire you. I'm sure this video will inspire every one of you and you will also want to try the same. Topping it off with these little beauties over here. So yes, the frame corner is almost done. So what's next? Oh yeah, it was time to reveal our beautiful beachy curtains, and yes, these are coastal living curtains. As you can see, we love them so much and we have kept them for the past 5 years. It goes so well with the wall. As you all know, it's a cement rugged wall. So now it was time to add all the other decors onto the left. In my previous videos, I have explained as to where I have picked up all the decors from which was added onto the wall. Just a little bit of a few additions that are here. The artificial planters that we had got from Home Center recently. Let your appreciation for rustic creativity be known with this concrete cement wallpaper mural. This de-stressed concrete wallpaper would make the perfect choice if you want interior decor that is unique and eye-catching. So now it was time for a quick DIY over here. We did this small little DIY shelf, hanging shelf. All you need are two things. 1, a wooden plank, and 2, a jute rope. We got this inspiration from a couple of other videos and we wanted to try the same. Hence we did so. You can also try the same and let me know what do you feel about this. It was time to set up all the decor, not forgetting our beautiful plants and the coastal elements over here. So this was another hanging shelf which we placed onto the left. And to complete this beachy look, yes, not forgetting this little element. So over here on this hook my husband placed this hanging pendant light. It is battery operated. And this is the top view. So this is the top view guys, and yes, look at this space, how beautifully it's been transformed. I will be sharing the other places I have decorated as well. So onto this side we just hung this bird cage with a couple of artificial money plants. So this corner was completed. Coming down to the TV unit, I started to decorate this place with all these beautiful decors. And yes, switched on our oil dispenser. Our all-time favorite coaster with this beautiful coastal living jar which was from Home Center. It was time now to decorate the two corners. Like I always say, do not use expensive things, just use inexpensive things and make it look beautiful. So I upcycled a old fruit crate, spray painted it and had my plants placed inside. Onto this side, it was just time for me to top it off with our coastal living chair and the beautiful cushions. And yes, what better to have a cup of coffee and just sit down and watch the entire beauty when we are low in these difficult times. So this is the total transformation that we have done. Do let me know what you think about this makeover and transformation that we have given to our boring wall. So voila, this was the time for us to show you guys how this ball has been transformed. Isn't it amazing? Don't you guys love this? Yes, we do so. And we are sure that you will be inspired by this amazing video that we have done. We did not know how it would turn out to be, but we were so amazed at the outcome. Yes guys, doesn't it not look like a studio? Yes, of course it does. But no, it is our beautiful home that we live in. So I'm sure all of you would just want to try something like this. Very simple and yet efficient. So if you're watching our channel for the first time, please do consider subscribing. Do give this video a big thumbs up. Do like, comment and share like you've always done. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.